Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a template in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to duplicate a template in Notion. The first thing to do is to open Notion and navigate to the templates, which we have here. So I have this template, Notion tags and projects. So launch Notion in your browser and sign in if needed. Then go to the page or database that contains the template you want to delete. And this is the page that contains the templates that I want to duplicate, rather. Then you need to access the templates menu in the database template. So if you're duplicating a template within a database, go ahead and click on the database. So right here is a database, which is on the project. Now in the database's top menu, which is here, go ahead and locate the new button. Then click on this drop down arrow that is next to new to reveal the template options. The next thing to do is to hover over the template you want to duplicate. Right here is a template and this template is untitled. Then you're going to see the three dots menu that is next to it. It appears next to the template menu. Go ahead and click on the three dots and you're going to see a couple of options here, which include repeat, set as default, edit, duplicate, and delete. Now go ahead and click on duplicate. And it says you are editing a template. So we're going back to Notion in Task Manager. So be sure that I click on the right thing. So the arrow. Okay, so I did. Of course I did. So you'll be prompted, of course, after clicking on that, you'll be prompted to create a name for the duplicated template. So you see that the duplicated template will now appear just right below the original in the list of templates. All right, with this. So it's now, you see the original is the one saved as default, but this is a duplicated one, which is just right under. Now you can edit or rename the duplicated templates by clicking on its name. So you can click on that and you can do repeat or set as default, or you can click on edit. So once you click on edit, you will be able to, of course, edit the name. So you can also click on the name of the template. And once you click on that, so right here we have untitled. Go ahead and rename it to whatever you want to rename it to. So I'm closing that page and that's it. So I'd like you to note that duplicating a template using a database will copy all of its content and structure, but will not affect the original template. All right. And if you're working with public or shared templates, you can duplicate them by clicking duplicate to my workspace when viewing the template. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.